Dear students, good morning to you all. I hope you are keeping well. Today I will teach subject I explore class 3. I explore of class 3 chapter 3 safety. In chapter 3 it says about safety rules. So at the beginning I'll request you to listen properly and learn it carefully and read again and again this chapter and you will understand it is very simple language. So dear students, safety rules. What is safety rules and why should we follow? Safety rules. Safety rules means the rules which keeps us safety from any danger or any accident. Safety rule is which rule keep us safety from any accident or any danger. Okay, so why should we follow? Same thing, sir. We should follow safety rules to keep ourselves safe from any accident. Safety rule is safety rule is to follow in order to save ourselves. So there are many kinds of safety rules. There are many types of safety rules are there. So one by one I am telling and I am not going to in deep. It is very simple language. You can read yourself or you understand. So first one is there safety rules at home. Safety rules at home, that is very simple. At home whatever safety rules we follow, for example, handle sharp object like knives or scissors carefully so that you do not hurt yourself. So when we catch it in a knife or any sharp object, okay, we should handle it properly, and if we do not know, we should ask our parents or any elder person to help us. Okay, and second is do not leave your toys and shoes lying on the floor. So when you are playing at home, our tendency to throw around anywhere and everywhere, but safety rule is to keep them in their own places. Okay, keep in their nice places or arrange nicely. So if you are following like these safety rules at home, you will be safe from any accident. So further I am not going to tell you, just you read it, you will understand. Then safety rules in the classroom. Safety rules in the classroom is very important in our life. Safety rules in the classroom. So there are many points. There are main 5 points are there. So I am telling one or two and the rest you can do yourself. Okay. So first one is do not run around classroom or climb on the desk. Do not run around on the classroom or climb on the desk. So that is very easy that we are very interested to run around in a classroom, but I tell you sometimes it is very harmful to us. We may fall down or we may break our hand or legs. So better is not to run around in the classroom or do not climb on the desk. Okay, if we follow these safety rules, other things are there. other things like do not fight with your classmates. So we should not fight with our classmates. We should mingle with them very lovingly, friendly. Then only we can be safe, all of us. So we should follow the classroom safety rules. Okay, so rest you can read by yourself. Now next is safety rules in the playground. Playground is very when you are playing in the class, in the field. When you are playing in the field, you can follow these safety rules. Suppose you are playing in cricket or football, you must follow these safety rules for the games. Okay, next is safety rules in the swimming pool. Swimming pool safety rules: if you know swimming, it is well and good. If you don't know swimming better, you can go with your parents or with your elderly person, those who know swimming, in the pond or in any water body. So better to learn from your elders or from your parents, then you can go. Otherwise there will be very serious accident. Now safety rules at road. Safety rules at road. On the road, how do you follow safety rules on the road? For example, we said we should walk on the road. We should walk on the road our left hand side. Okay, we should walk on the road our left hand side. And when you are coming through by our school car to the school, so we should not take out our hands or head out of our school vehicle. Some of us, we have the more tendency to take out our hands while moving vehicle, so there will be accident. It may break your head or your hand. Okay, so better not to take out. And do not run on the road. Do not play on the road. Do not run on the road. Why? Because many vehicles, many cars are coming opposite of us or behind of us. It may happen accident. Or do not play on the road, it may also happen same thing. So we should follow the safety rules on the road very strictly. Okay, so next we will see there is first aid box. In your book there is first aid box. What is first aid actually? First aid is the immediate medical help. The immediate medical help. Suppose someone got injured, so before we should take him to hospital, we can give ourselves medicine immediately. That is called first aid. And there is box that is called first aid box. Now student, tell me, in the first aid box how many things will be there, or what are the things will be there in the first aid box? Okay, there are number of list are there in your book on page 20. There are so many things are there, so you can see and memorize it and try to draw it first aid box, because it is very necessary in our life. Okay, so I have finished chapter 3 reading. Now exercises. Before that there are new words are there. You see the new words and meaning, you memorize it. Okay, you memorize it and you can write in your copy again and again. Now exercise you will see A, fill in the blanks with the correct option. I think you can do by yourself. Then number B, tick mark is there, tick mark also you can do by yourself. And number C, you can see true and false. True and false is very simple, that also you can do by yourself. And the question answers are given in the PDF file I am sending you. You can memorize fast, and because it is very simple language I have written, so I have finished this chapter. Now chapter 3 I have finished, so I request you read again and again, and you will understand better. And if you have any doubt or any problems, please call me, I will solve your problem. So thank you for watching.